The Bible. Even the word itself holds a certain weight, a sense of gravity and importance. For millennia, this collection of sacred texts has held a place of unparalleled significance in the history of humanity. It's not just a book, but a library, a tapestry woven from history, poetry, law, and prophecy. Its influence transcends the realm of religion, seeping into the very foundations of Western literature, art, music, law, and culture. This book of books, with its stories of creation and destruction, love and betrayal, faith and doubt, has shaped the way we think, the way we speak, and the way we see the world. From the soaring heights of Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling to the poignant lyrics of a gospel hymn, the Bible's presence is undeniable. It has inspired some of humanity's greatest triumphs and fueled some of its darkest hours. The Bible's journey through time has been anything but straightforward. It has been revered and reviled, translated and misinterpreted, embraced by some and rejected by others. Yet through it all, its power remains undiminished. In the following sections, we will embark on a journey of exploration, delving into the multifaceted ways in which the Bible has left its indelible mark on the world, shaping not just our past but also our present, and quite possibly our future. Open a newspaper, turn on the radio, or engage in casual conversation, and you'll likely encounter phrases and expressions drawn directly from the pages of the Bible. A drop in the bucket, an eye for an eye, the salt of the earth, a house divided against itself. These are just a few examples of biblical language that has seamlessly infiltrated everyday speech. The King James Bible, with its majestic prose and memorable turns of phrase, has had a particularly profound impact on the English language. Its influence extends beyond individual words and phrases. It has shaped the rhythms and cadences of our speech and writing. Even those unfamiliar with the Bible's narratives often find themselves drawing on its rich vocabulary to express a wide range of human emotions and experiences. From joy and sorrow to hope and despair, the Bible provides a language for the soul, a vocabulary that transcends time and culture. This linguistic legacy is a testament to the Bible's enduring power. Its words have seeped into the very fabric of our language, shaping the way we communicate and understand the world around us. The Bible's influence on literature is both profound and pervasive. Its stories, characters, and themes have served as an inexhaustible well of inspiration for writers across centuries and continents. From the epic poems of John Milton to the introspective novels of Fyodor Dostoevsky, the Bible's presence can be felt in works both sacred and secular. The Garden of Eden, the Flood, the Exodus. These iconic narratives have been revisited and reimagined countless times, offering writers a framework for exploring universal themes of creation, destruction, redemption, and the human condition. The struggles of Job, the wisdom of Solomon, the faith of Abraham, these biblical figures have become archetypes, embodying enduring human qualities that continue to resonate with the readers today. The Bible's impact on literature extends beyond direct allusions and adaptations. Its themes of good versus evil, sin and redemption, faith and doubt have become deeply ingrained in the Western literary tradition, shaping the way stories are told and characters are developed. Even in works that challenge or subvert biblical narratives, the Bible's influence is often palpable, serving as a point of departure or a source of creative tension. The Ten Commandments, etched on stone tablets and handed down from Mount Sinai, have become synonymous with moral guidance and ethical conduct. These ancient precepts, prohibiting murder, theft, adultery, and other transgressions, have formed the bedrock of legal systems and moral codes across the globe. While interpretations and applications of these commandments have varied throughout history and across cultures, their core message of respect for life, property, and human dignity continues to resonate. The Ten Commandments provide a framework for living in harmony with others, for building a just and compassionate society. Equally influential is the Golden Rule, a simple yet profound ethical principle found in various forms across cultures and religions. In the words of Jesus, "Do to others as you would have them do to you." This timeless teaching encourages empathy, compassion, and a recognition of our shared humanity. The Bible's emphasis on justice, mercy, and loving kindness has inspired social reformers, human rights activists, and countless individuals striving to create a more equitable and compassionate world. Its teachings on forgiveness, reconciliation, and the importance of caring for the poor and marginalized continue to challenge and inspire us to build a better future for all. As we step into the modern era, the influence of the Bible remains deeply woven into the fabric of society. Its teachings have not only shaped the moral compass of individuals, but have also left an indelible mark on laws, ethics, and cultural norms. Take, for instance, the abolitionist movement of the 19th century. Inspired by the biblical principle of equality before God, activists like Harriet Tubman and Frederick Douglass fought tirelessly to end slavery, drawing on scriptures that emphasize the inherent worth of every human being. In the realm of law, many contemporary legal systems reflect biblical precepts. Concepts such as justice, fairness, and the sanctity of human life echo the moral directives found within the pages of the Bible. The influence is evident in documents like the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which upholds principles that resonate with biblical teachings on human dignity and equality. Ethically, the Bible continues to guide both personal and professional conduct. In the business world, principles like honesty, integrity, and the fair treatment of employees and customers often stem from biblical values. Many companies incorporate these ideals into their mission statements and corporate cultures, striving to build trust and respect in their operations. Culturally, the Bible's stories, themes, and symbols permeate literature, art, and media. From the parables of Jesus to the epic tales of the Old Testament, these narratives provide rich source material for creators across genres. They inspire works that explore the human condition, the struggle between good and evil, and the quest for meaning and redemption. Moreover, the Bible's emphasis on community and social responsibility continues to inspire charitable work and social justice initiatives. Organizations worldwide, both faith-based and secular, draw on biblical teachings to address issues like poverty, inequality, and environmental stewardship. In summary, the Bible's legacy is not confined to the past. It actively shapes and influences our present and future. Its teachings on morality, justice, and compassion continue to resonate, guiding us as we navigate the complexities of modern life and strive to build a world that reflects its enduring values. As we delve deeper into the Bible's enduring influence, we turn our gaze to the realm of art and architecture. Throughout history, the Bible has served as a profound source of inspiration for artists and architects, guiding their hands and shaping their visions. From the iconic frescoes of the Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo brought to life the stories of Genesis with unparalleled grandeur, to the serene beauty of Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper, biblical themes have been immortalized on canvas and in stone. These masterpieces not only depict sacred narratives, but also capture the essence of human emotion, spirituality, and the quest for divine connection. Architecture, too, bears the indelible mark of biblical influence. The soaring spires of cathedrals like Notre Dame and the intricate mosaics of the Hagia Sophia stand as testaments to the Bible's impact on design and structure. These sacred spaces, with their awe-inspiring beauty and meticulous craftsmanship, were designed to elevate the spirit and bring worshippers closer to the divine. In the realm of sculpture, the Bible's influence is equally profound. Consider Michelangelo's David, a symbol of courage and faith, or Rodin's The Gates of Hell, inspired by Dante's Divine Comedy, which itself draws heavily on biblical themes. These works, carved from marble and cast in bronze, capture the tension between human frailty and divine grace. The Bible's impact on art extends beyond the Western world. In Ethiopia, the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela, carved directly into the mountains, stand as a testament to faith and devotion, their architecture mirroring the biblical descriptions of Jerusalem. In Asia, the influence of biblical stories can be seen in the intricate tapestries and illuminated manuscripts that blend local artistry with sacred narratives. Even in modern times, the Bible continues to inspire artistic expression. Contemporary artists like Makoto Fujimura and Kehinde Wiley reinterpret biblical themes through a modern lens, challenging viewers to engage with these ancient stories in new and thought-provoking ways. Their works remind us that the Bible's narratives are not relics of the past, but living stories that continue to inspire and provoke. In summary, the Bible's role in art and architecture is a testament to its enduring power to inspire and elevate the human spirit. Through the centuries, its stories and themes have shaped artistic expression, leaving a legacy of beauty, faith, and creativity that continues to resonate in our modern world. As we conclude our exploration of the Bible's profound influence on various facets of human culture, we turn to its most intimate and personal impact, its role in the lives of individuals. The Bible is not just a historical artifact or a source of artistic inspiration. It is a living document that continues to guide, comfort, and inspire people around the world. Meet Sarah, a young woman who found solace in the Psalms during a period of deep personal loss. Reading the words of David, I felt understood and less alone, she shares. The Psalms gave voice to my pain and ultimately to my healing. Then there's James, a man who struggled with addiction for years. The teachings of the Bible offered me a new path, he explains. Through the story of the prodigal son, I found hope and the strength to seek forgiveness and change. We also have Maria, a single mother who turned to the Bible for guidance. In Proverbs, I found wisdom that helped me navigate the challenges of raising my children alone, she says. It was like having a trusted advisor by my side. These personal stories are just a glimpse into the myriad ways the Bible touches lives. Each testimonial underscores its enduring relevance, offering timeless wisdom and comfort in an ever-changing world. The Bible's power lies in its ability to speak to the human condition, addressing our deepest fears, hopes, and questions. It is a source of strength in times of hardship, a guide when we are lost, and a beacon of hope when we are in despair. In today's fast-paced, often chaotic world, the Bible remains a constant, providing a sense of stability and purpose. It invites us to reflect, to seek, and to grow, reminding us that we are part of a larger story, one that transcends time and place. As we reflect on the Bible's enduring impact, let us remember that its greatest legacy is the transformation it brings to individual lives. Through its words, countless people have found hope, purpose, and a deeper connection to the divine. And in this, we see its true and lasting power. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Scripture Chronicles.